As a leading domestic transmission system solution provider, RIUGOR focuses on the research, development and manufacturing of core components for new-energy vehicles. Its 270 to new-energy electric vehicle main reducer has become the industry benchmark product by virtue of its high efficiency, lightweight, low noise and other advantages. To ensure the safety and integrity of the product during transport and storage, RIUGOR adopts advanced packaging design solutions, high-strength protection, the use of customized blister lining and shock-absorbing foam, close to the main gearbox structure, effectively buffer transport vibration. To avoid bumping damage, lightweight and environmental protection, the outer box is made of recyclable high-strength corrugated cardboard, combined with honeycomb board reinforcement, which not only reduces the weight of the package, but also meets the trend of green logistics. Intelligent labeling, the outside of the package is clearly marked with the product model, barcode and moisture-proof warning, and the RFID tag position is reserved, which facilitates the intelligent management of warehousing. Modular design, support for single or multiple pieces of combined packaging, adapted to different logistics scenarios, to enhance the efficiency of the supply chain. Through the scientific and rigorous packaging process, RIUGOR ensures that each main reducer is delivered with zero defects from the factory to the truck, providing customers with more reliable product protection.